And the main issue, as you can see, I'm pressing the knob and it's not working. Sucks. So today we're gonna pop the new pump inside of that windshield reservoir. You're not gonna need to remove the side fender. You're only gonna need to remove the wheel guard. In terms of that piece right here, basically that guy is not OEM. It's 12 bucks off the Amazon, and I'm really wondering how good is that gonna be working. There's a lot of good reviews and bad reviews, but beside that, yeah, let's hop in there and start replacing that beauty. The last step is pop the wheel back and test drive the car. And this is how it sprays. So for whatever it does, and for 12 bucks, I think this is pretty reasonable purchase. I wouldn't say that's the upgrade because it's not doing that good. Anyway, this, like I said, it's more than enough for me, and I'm really forward to see the reliability. As far as for it now, it's been 3 or 4 months since I upgraded or replaced it, the piece, and it's still working, so I have no problems so far. But anyway, if you guys have extra cash around $20-$30, I would definitely suggest you to buy a little bit better pump. With that being said, I hope you did like the video, and please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel, and leave me a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.